Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change your Roblox group name. Alright, the bad news first. You can't currently change the group name without help from support. But the good news is that Roblox is working on an update that will allow you to do this. So, I'll show you how to request a support ticket to change your group name. Go to roblox.com and log in. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, click the settings icon and then click Help. Scroll down until you see the text Promoted Articles. In that section, you'll find Contact Us. Click on that and it will take you to the contact page. The second paragraph on this page contains a link to the support form, where you can submit a support request. Click on Support Form and fill out the necessary user information. Under Issue Details, select the device you are using. I'll select PC. Then, under the type of help, I'll select How To, and then I'll select How To General. In the description of the issue, just explain why you need to change the group name and then click Submit. Support should contact you and assist you in changing the group name. And that is how you change your Roblox group name, until they update it so you can change it on your own. If this was helpful, click the like and subscribe buttons. We have more helpful quick tech how-to videos coming your way.